Tonight, the federal government, though, stepping in to help a rural Arizona hospital. ABC 15 confirming it will send medical workers to Mojave County. Our Nicole Grigg joining us live with details. Nicole?
Yeah, and one hospital CEO in Mojave County says it has 7 times the number of COVID-19 patients than what they had 10 weeks ago. And they say 90% of those people are unvaccinated. ABC 15 confirming that the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services will help support a deployment of 28 nurses to Kingman Regional Medical Center for 21 days.
We don't have final dates and we don't have final numbers.
The CEO for Kingman Regional Medical Center says for him, it's about losing more staff.
The length of time that this has gone on is more than anybody really could have ever imagined. And the impact that that has on just week after week of being in the same situation, right, with how controversial different positions are, it is very taxing organizationally.
New data from this week shows more than half of the new COVID-19 cases in Bullhead City are children under the age of 19. Mojave County is seeing some of the lowest vaccination rates in Arizona. Using new census data, ABC 15 found that less than 34% of people in Mojave County are fully vaccinated.
It just reinforces the fact that we are into a wave 3.
ABC 15 analyst Wendy Smith-Reeve is the state's former director of emergency management. She says Arizona tapping into federal resources is a big deal.
So we learned a lot from waves 1 and 2, and we saw that we had to bring in other personnel from other states. So why hasn't ADHS sought out a subcontractor prior to now? Why are we in wave 3 and still relying upon the federal government to provide those additional resources?
The Department of Health responding tonight saying they do have staffing contracts that could be activated, but hospitals would have to meet certain criteria like using the Arizona surge line and pausing non-essential surgeries. So that means that Kingman Regional Medical Center did not meet that state criteria to activate that statewide criteria. That's why it was passed on to the feds. As for when will that nursing team arrive, we do not yet have a date. Reporting live in Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.